So in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert a 3 volt DC or 9 volt DC or 3.7. We're going to try all these voltages values to a 220 volt 6.5 watt. So the components that we need a transformer which has got like 12 volt DC 0 and 12 0 12, and we've got the AC input here, so we're going to use it for the output this time, and the input will be this bit here. And obviously we need a 5200 to SC 5200, and finally we need a 1 kilo resistor. Forgot about, we need a bulb, LED or 220 volt bulb. So let's show you how this works. So first thing we need to do is connecting the base in this terminal here, 12 volt, and the collector on the middle one, which is the collector, like this. But before connecting this 12 volt terminal to the base, we need to connect this 1 kilo resistor to the base first, and from the base to the 12 volt terminal. Now I need to connect these wires from the bulb to these terminals here. Like this. So this is because this is the output. So as you can see, right, I think our circuit now is complete. So we need to try it. So first thing, I need to try it with this 3 volt. I had to put the two 1.5 volt 2 batteries in series like this. So positive will go to this middle one, 0, and the negative will go to the emitter like this. So as you can see, we've got 200 volts here. Got 3 volts. We are converting 3 volts DC to 220 AC. So let's try now with 3.7. So positive in the middle one, 0, and the negative on the emitter. Oh, it's working. So now let's show you from another angle, like this. So I'm using my power supply here, so we've got like 2.9, 3, I need 3 volt. Yeah. So the positive will go to the red one in the middle, 0, and the negative will go to the emitter of the transistor regulator, as you can see. So I can go up to 9. As you can see, the more I go up, the more I increase the voltage and the amp, the more the light gets brighter. And the regulator still cool, you know, you don't need any heat sink or anything. Yeah. 10. You can get to 12 volts if you want.